Find the smallest positive number n such that every digit of 49n is 0 or 4. The number 45n is always divisible by n if n is not 0. If n is equal to 0, then the whole number becomes 0. Therefore, divisibility by 9 is immaterial. In this problem, n is a positive integer, therefore n is not 0. Hence, 49n is always divisible by 9. Since 49n has to be a string of 0 and 4s, it follows that 49n must have 9 numbers of 4s with some zeros scattered within it or at the end. That is, the number 44444444 like this, it must be divisible by 9. The smallest such number is 44444444, that is 9 fours. Such a number, the sum of the digits of such a number is 36, and we know 36 is divisible by 9, so this number is divisible by 9. If you remember your basic math correctly, the sum of the digits of a number, if it is divisible by 9, the whole number is also divisible by 9. And this number has to be the smallest because if we put one or more zeros somewhere inside or at the end of the number of 9 fours, the resulting number will be greater than 44444444. As an example, let us try 45n is equal to 444444444444. If 45n is this, then n is equal to this number divided by 45. We have seen that this number is divisible by 9, but this number is not divisible by 5 because the last digit of the number is neither 0 nor 5. Therefore, this whole thing is not an integer. So n will not be an integer if you take the number just 49. Therefore, 9 fours is not the number we are looking for. Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell so you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It's completely free and only takes a few seconds, and you can always unsubscribe later if you want to. Moreover, it is important for me if you like, share and subscribe so that it would encourage me to make and post new videos for you to view. Also, if you know about any interesting problem that you would like me to solve, please upload it in your comments. Without further ado, let's proceed with the rest of the video. Let's add 1 0 in this number somewhere and try to see what is the result. The smallest such number is a 0 after 9 fours, because if you put 1 0 anywhere in between, the number will be bigger than this number, so it will not be smallest number. So the smallest number with 9 fours is 9 fours followed by a 0. If 45n is equal to 9 fours followed by a 0, then by direct division we find n is equal to 98765432. So n is equal to 98765432 is the smallest number, such that 45n consists of only 4s and zeros. If you add more number of zeros, this number will be even bigger. So this is the answer. N is equal to this is the answer. Thank you.